Here is how to add links to your Instagram stories. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open Instagram on your phone and then click on the plus button that's at the top left. Here click on story. So this is the normal way to post a story. Then over here, select the photo or the video that you'll want to put on your story. So let's say I want this. Now to add a link, you first have to click on the sticker button. That's the second from the top. And over here, just search for link. You can see the link sticker has come. So click on this. And here, you have to enter the URL. Let's say I want to put a link to YouTube. So now I've put the link. And if you want to test if it's working, just click on See Preview. And you can see it's taken us to YouTube. Then the next thing you can do is change the text of the link. So if you want to customize it, just click on Customize Sticker Text. And here, you can just call it YouTube. And then click on Finished. So as you can see, we've now gotten the sticker and we can resize this and change the position as well. So just place it wherever you want. And there's one more thing you can do, and that's change the design. So if you just click on the sticker, you can see the colors changing. So just select whichever you like. And once you're fine with it, you can post your story. So now, if someone clicks on the sticker, it will take them to YouTube. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.